Hey, have you ever wondered how apps like Hopper manage to predict the best time to book flights, find killer hotel deals, and keep travelers coming back for more? Today we are breaking down how to build a versatile travel app that does it all. Let's take off. Step 1. Solve a real problem. Hopper didn't just build another travel app, they solved a pain point. Travelers hate overpaying for flights and hotels. So Hopper used data-driven predictions to tell users when to book and save. Ask yourself, what's the one thing that travelers struggle with? Build your app around that. Step 2. Master the features. A versatile travel app needs to do it all, and here's the checklist. Number 1. Flight and hotel search. Fast, accurate, and user-friendly. Number 2. Price prediction. Use AI to analyze trends and recommend the best time to book. Number 3. Personalization. Tailor recommendation based on user preference and past behaviors. Number 4. Seamless booking. One-click payment and instant confirmation. Number 5. Real-time alerts. Notify users about the price drops, delays, and upgrades. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife for travelers. Personally, I love Hopper because it feels like it knows me. It suggests destinations that I would actually want to visit, and it reminds me when the price drops. It's like having a travel agent in my pocket. Exactly. The key is user-centric design. Your app should feel personal, intuitive, and reliable. If it doesn't make travel easier, it's not doing its job. Step 3. Leverage data and AI. Hopper's secret sauce: data. They analyze billions of flights and hotel prices to predict trends. Here's how you can do it too. Number 1. Use machine learning to forecast price changes. Number 2. Build predictive algorithms to recommend the best deals. Number 3. Analyze user behavior to offer hyper-personalized suggestions. Data isn't just numbers, it's the backbone of a smart travel app. Thinking about building your own travel app like Hopper? The key is the right technology and a seamless user experience. At SDLC Corp, we design and develop AI-powered, scalable travel apps that drive bookings and enhance travel experience. Whether you need price prediction, dynamic booking features, or personalized recommendation, we have got the expertise to make it happen. Let's turn your vision into reality. Reach out today and start building something extraordinary. And that's the blueprint for building a smart travel app like Hopper. Focus on solving real problems using data and create a seamless experience for travelers. Need a tech partner? SDLC Corp is here to help. Like and share this video with your colleagues, and don't forget to follow SDLC Corp for more amazing content.